So this is the RFID operated vending machine. So the RFID scanner is here. Let's cover that back. And to start, let's try first if we use the unregistered RFID. So this one, the blank one. Unregistered shows invalid. Again, it's invalid. So now we'll use the registered ID. So here's my ID, and there you go. Now I can operate and choose. Let's get to this one. So there you go, one piece, and back to vending. Then I've got to scan again there, and if the you choose one that is already empty, and there's an error, so it won't vend anything if it's empty. So again, here, there you go. And again, what if you change your mind and you don't want to get anything? Just cancel it here, and it's ended. And that's it.